How to make money with Instagram. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Is Instagram just another one of those apps that you mindlessly scroll through when you can't sleep? Or is it the perfect platform to start earning some money? With 1 billion users worldwide, you'd be a fool not to take advantage of that opportunity. If you're looking for ways to make money on Instagram, consider sharing more than just your photos and videos. Companies are attracted to dedicated communities on the social networking app, even ones that number in the low thousands. If your followers fit the profile of consumers that a brand is trying to reach, you may be able to make some money. Not interested in going the influencer route? Try selling your own products. Number 1, get sponsored. Creating sponsored posts or stories is the primary way Instagram users can cash in on their account. So how do you find a sponsor? In some cases, potential partners will reach out to you. But if you don't want to wait to be approached, check out companies that can help you find and work with brands. Keep in mind that sponsored posts and stories on Instagram are held to the same standard of truth in advertising as any other form of marketing. You'll do this by setting up branded content in your account settings, then tagging your business partner. Number 2, promote your business. There are other ways to use Instagram to make money. You can set up a business account to grow your business. For example, if you have an Etsy shop where you sell your crafts or food blog that generates advertising revenue, a professional-looking Instagram account could provide a promotional boost. You can link to your Etsy or website in your profile or highlight one specific product in your bio section to direct more people to it. If your account is approved for Instagram shopping features, you can tag products to promote your stuff directly. Number 3, sell your castoffs. Maybe you don't have a business to promote, but you often sell your old clothes and accessories on websites like Poshmark. Present and photograph your clothes and other things in an appealing way and include as much detail as possible in the caption. Brand, size, condition and age of each item are all good things to note. If you're looking to sell one item in particular, link to it in your Instagram bio. If not, just link to your Poshmark or other seller profile. Many Instagram sellers use hashtag #ShopMyCloset to hawk their wares. Number 4, earn badges through live videos. You can earn money directly from your audience when you share real-time videos with Instagram's live feature. As you showcase your talents, products and so on, viewers can buy badges, which are essentially tips, to show support. Badges cost 99 cents, $1.99 or $4.99. You'll see heart symbols next to comments from people who've purchased them. Promote your upcoming live video sessions through posts or stories to get the word out beforehand. Number 5, monetize your videos with ads. Another way to get paid, allow brands to run ads during your videos. To set it up, head to your creator account settings and enable the monetization option for in-stream video ads. Then, post videos as usual. The amount you earn depends on how many views your video gets in the feed. You'll receive 55% of the revenue generated per view, according to the Instagram for Business website. Payments are issued monthly. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.